Good day viewers, you are welcome. How to simplify this nice square root problem. We have square root of 3 plus square root of 64 plus 16 square root of 12. So to solve this, we have a solution from here. Here we have the square root of 3 plus square root of 64. We can write it as 16 multiplied by 4 plus 16 square root of 12. And next we have the square root of 3 plus square root of, so with this and this, 16 is common. When we factor out 16, here we have 4 plus square root of 12. And in this one single root, we can separate this thing as we have square root of 3 plus square root of 16 multiplied by square root of 4 plus square root of 12. And next we have this equals the square root of 3 plus square root of 16, 4, square root of 4 plus square root of, so for this 12, we write it as 4 multiplied by 3. And we consider this rule. Let's say we have square root of AB. This is equals the square root of A multiplied by square root of B. And by applying that, we are going to have this equals square root of 3 plus 4 square root of 4 plus square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 3. And in the next step, we are going to have this equals square root of 3 plus 4 square root of 4 plus, and this is 2 square root of 3. And next, suppose I rewrite this 4 as 4 equals 3 plus 1. Then we have square root of 3 plus 4 square root of 3 plus 1 plus 2 square root of 3. And in the next step, we have this equals square root of 3 plus 4 square root of, so 3 here, we can write it as square root of 3 square plus, and here is 1 squared plus 2 multiplied by root 3 multiplied by 1. So I just use this one, and note that suppose we have a plus b squared, this is equals a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. And if I assume that the value of this a is our square root of 3 and the value of b equals 1. So when we apply this expression, we are going to compress this one as the square root of 3 plus 1 raised to power of 2. Because the expression here, square root of 3 square plus 1 square plus 2 square root of 3 multiplied by 1, when we expand this, we are going to get this. Then we have, so when we compress it, here is what we are going to have, and this equals the square root of 3 plus, so note this and this cancelled, and we have this is 4 into bracket of square root of 3 plus 1 And here, when we try to expand this, we have this as square root of 3 plus 4 times root 3. That gives us 4 root 3 plus 4 times 1, that is 4. And again, we have 4 and 3 here. So 3 plus 4, we get 7 plus 4 square root of 3. And another thing I'm going to do here, which is very interesting, if this is square root of 7 plus, if this is 2, if I write this 4 as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by root 3. And for every 7 here, if I write it as 2 squared plus 3, so this is the same thing as 7. So 2 squared, that is 4, and here is 3, that is 7, plus 2 multiplied by 2 square root of 3. And next, suppose I write this thing as square root of 2 squared plus, so and this 3, if I have it as root 3 squared plus 2 multiplied by 2 root 3. And according to the rule I apply above, suppose we have a plus b raised to power of 2. This equals a squared plus b squared plus 2 multiplied by a multiplied by b. And let's say our a equals to 2 plus and b is square root of 3. So when we try to expand this, what we get is 2 squared plus root 3 squared plus 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by root 3. And we see that what is inside this root is just like the expansion of this one. And when we replace it, what we get here is, so we have the square root of 2 plus root 3 all raised to power of 2. So therefore we have this cancelled, as the final result for this is 2 plus square root of 3. And it implies that the expansion of the square root of 3 plus square root of 64 plus 16 square root of 12, everything equals 2 plus square root of 3. So this is how to solve these nice square root simplifications, math Olympiad questions. Thanks for watching, and if you are new here to this channel and you find this video interesting, please do well to like, share and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more videos. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.